One of my favorite ways to make money online is with affiliate marketing. I mean, I talk about it all the time and I've been doing it for years. I love it. All right. Now, as of late, my marketing strategy to get people to my offers is pretty simple. I basically use two platforms. All right. One, obviously, look around. YouTube. All right. YouTube is pretty much like my main promotional tool, right? That's what I use to get most of my traffic to my offers. All right. Now, another place that I started using probably about 2, 3 months ago is Facebook. All right. But not just basic Facebook. You know what I'm saying? I've been using Facebook Reels. All right. So basically, what I do is once I create a YouTube video, all right, I actually go over to Facebook Reels and I make a quick reel basically talking about the new video that I just posted on my YouTube channel. And I'll put a link to the video in the Facebook Reel comment section, right? To drive traffic to YouTube, right? So I pretty much, that's been my strategy for the last couple months and it's been working pretty well, all right? And just to be clear, I do post other types of Facebook Reels on my Facebook Reels channel, but I always make sure that every time I drop a YouTube video, I do a reel talking about it. All right. So I really wasn't going into Facebook Reels to make money. I was really using Facebook Reels as a way to get more traffic to my affiliate offers and YouTube videos, right? But a couple weeks ago, I got invited to the Facebook Reel bonus play program. And I'm like, oh, okay. You know what I'm saying? So once you get that invite, you put your information in, you put in like how you want to get paid, your basic information. And then boom, right? They start keeping track of your, your stats, your real views and everything. And you get paid. You get paid for every 1,000 views, right? So I was super excited about it. So I just kept doing what I was doing, just posting my normal videos. And I got to 10,000 real plays, right? I got to 10,000. And I'm about to share with you how much I made for having 10,000 plays. Damn it. All right. And the answer is $4, right? That's right, damn it. $4. $4 is how much I got paid for 10,000 plays. Now, I ain't gonna lie to you. I feel like that should be more money, but $4 is $4. Now, one thing I can say that I guess can be positive is like I noticed Facebook Reels, each reel, they have a nice little what do you want, how do you say it, lasting power, right? Because I'm still getting views from reels that I created a month ago, right? So that's kind of a positive thing, right? Because it ain't like the views just stop after a day or two. Like the views are keep going and they keep adding up. So, right, I'm thinking about ramping up my Facebook Reels to really see like, the more views I get, will my per thousand earnings go up higher? Will they drop? Hopefully not. But this is an extra income stream that could get bigger and bigger. Now, when I got approved with my Facebook Reel account, it said for this month the max I could make was $1,200, right? So I'm thinking to myself, damn, how many plays do I need to get $1,200, right? I guess I could figure it out, but whatever. So, but yeah, guys, I mean, the idea with all of these platforms now, TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, like they're all competing, right? So this could be very beneficial to people like us, right, who grinding, right? We could take advantage of all of these platforms and just add more and more income streams. Not to mention the commissions you can earn as an affiliate marketer, right? So, and like shorts, depending on when you're watching this video, YouTube Shorts might already be monetized. If not, you're only a few months away from being able to earn money from your YouTube Shorts. So this could be a really nice extra income. I'm gonna keep doing Facebook Reels because it's driving traffic to my affiliate offers. And now I'm actually earning a little extra money that hopefully, I say hopefully, will get bigger and bigger. All right. So that's how much I made so far with Facebook Reels. I will obviously, come back and update, when I hit like, 50,000 plays or 100,000 and let you know how much money I made at that point. All right. So if you want to check out some of the affiliate programs that I promote on Facebook Reels, you can check out the links in the description or in the pinned comment. Holla at your boy.